Hi, it's Sheri Kreiner. I returned again this evening to provide you with 3 very important tips, and once again using the powerful platform of Instagram. And what the topic is on this evening is understanding Instagram's environment. It's really important to understand the flow of the news feed, and I feel anyway, before going any further. And by the way, could you like and subscribe to my channel, as if you'd like to receive notifications on my upcoming videos, then I do encourage you to click on the subscribe button below. Tip number 1, most everyone on Instagram is using a mobile phone. Instagram is 99.9% mobile. So tip number 2 is Instagram is highly visual. So you want to make sure that the images that you're posting, they're not pixelated, and basically that they're crystal clear and of high quality. It's very important. Tip number 3 is in the news feed, you'll see, and this is mostly for new people that are on Instagram, but you'll see, loads of content, lots of content in the form of images and then a caption. So it goes like that. You'll see an image and a caption, and then the next, you'll see again an image and a caption. And so you'll see most people, on their mobile phone and just going through the news feed and very quickly. It's a very fast news feed. So this concludes my 3 tips for this evening, and I hope you received loads of value. And once again, if you'd like to receive notifications on my upcoming videos, just click on the subscribe button below. And let's just recap very quickly, remembering that Instagram is mostly mobile. It's 99.9% mobile, actually. And then tip number 2, I talked about Instagram being highly visual. So you want your images to be of high quality. And then tip number 3 is in the news feed, again, and this is for more new people that are on Instagram or have just opened an account, and it's just learning about the platform of Instagram. But you'll see, lots of content, and in the form of images and captions. So it goes image, caption, image, caption. And so you'll see a lot of people, using their mobile phone, going through the news feed, and very quickly too, because it's a pretty fast platform. Stay tuned for my next upcoming video, as the topic is, it's really important, but it's getting to be very exciting too, because we're going to be talking about monetizing. So, and it's on, tapping into larger communities on Instagram. So have a great evening. Thank you very much.